Okay, so we're working on this Mazda CX9 again for the AC not working. So I attempted to recharge it. It was virtually empty. And there's a line leaking that goes down to the rear AC. You see that brass union I put in there? That line that runs down, there's another connection underneath the vehicle. I'll video that in a second. But that line had a pinhole about 12 inches below that union in the line, which is part of this high pressure line that runs all the way across and down and over here to this junction block right here. This is the line right here. So that wouldn't be that easy to put in there because it's a rigid line, and it goes all the way across to the evaporator core and down to the rear. Okay, so here you can see the picture of this line from the bottom. It's not that accessible. There's a union there, and that goes to the rear AC. That's a high pressure line to the rear AC. But you can see my brass union about 12 inches up against the firewall there. The aluminum line had oxidized and had a pinhole in it. So I took that section of line out and cut out a piece. Here it is here. It's hard to see it, but there's an oxidized hole through that right there. And it was leaking refrigerant. So I cut this section out. You can actually see it on the inside where it's oxidized right through. So I cut this section out and put a brass union in. The rest of the tube looks in pretty good shape. Hopefully that's going to fix it.